Hello guys, welcome to our lesson number 14. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to remove the background with the help of eraser tool. Yes, it's not a selection process which we are going to do, but we're gonna just learn the eraser tool. Through that also you can just erase the background with a single click. So we'll see in the video and see the magic of eraser tool, guys. Hello everyone, so this is our 14th or 13th lesson in which we're gonna learn how to use the eraser tool to remove the background from the photograph, right? So we'll just go through the two techniques of using the eraser tool. First of all, guys, we will just make from the background, we will just make to a normal layer. So what you're gonna do is just double click on it and just hit OK. So it will be a normal layer, so you will able to move it around, or you can just play it or do whatever you want. But if it was a background layer, or if you want to do again that background layer which you can't move, that is a flattened image, so this is a locked layer, so you can't do anything over here, right? But if you want to make changes, then just double click on it and it will make your layer photo to a layer kind of thing, right? So here, like guys, you will select the eraser tool from here. So what it will does is just select the eraser tool and it will just erase the thing from the photo which you want to erase it, right? So this is a normal thing which you can, suppose you want to delete something, you can just use eraser tool and just right click on it and you will select the hard round brush. So you can just use the hard round brush and just erase it perfectly with kind of zoom and decreasing or increasing the size of the brush. And this is how you can erase something perfectly with the help of eraser tool, right? So this is the one process which you have to learn by using the eraser tool. Next is, guys, background eraser tool, right? So what does this will does as actually it will just erase the background automatically. You wanna see, just click on this and it will, as you can see, you are selecting this color, it is only deleting the area where that color is present. So even if your brush is bigger, then also it just delete the area where that particular color is present, right? So this is how this that magic background tool actually works. This will from here you can just select the tolerance or whatever kind of thing you wanna delete. Just make sure that you need perfect thing. You can here decrease the tolerance to around 20 or 15 so that you can get the perfect delete. So as you can see, it is really getting very perfectly the deleting process. So this is how you can use the eraser or magic background eraser tool to erase it. If you want to see, let's see what does. Let's select the solid color and let's select the black color or red tone. Move it below this. So as you can see, there are a lot of things which are remained to be deleted. So what you can do is just use the eraser tool and just delete it, or you can directly select the normal eraser tool and just delete it the rest of the things with the help of that tool, right? So this is how you can use this background eraser tool. And the last one is a magic eraser tool. So this is also very similar to this background eraser tool. So let's see how this actually works. Let's go to history and select the open, so it will just bring back to a normal. So let's just click on this and it will automatically delete whole area from the image at one click, right? So this is how this background eraser tool actually magic eraser tool shows up its magic in this way. As you can see, this is really looking very perfect and kind of really amazing edit. Let's see the color and let's see how this perfectly removed the background. Yes, literally this one has done its almost kind of every process of removing the background at one single click. So this is how you can use this magic eraser tool to erase anything if your background is kind of very similar and a plane. So you can use this technique to remove the background. So I hope you have learned such cool thing about the eraser tool. So let's just see you guys in the next video, and till then guys, be creative and be awesome.